Oh, this is an adventure. Oh. What's up guys? I am Shawn and today we're gonna do something very interesting, something I have not done before in Singapore and something that is making me super uncomfortable. We are going on a 4-day camping trip around Singapore. Well, basically in the east side of Singapore. We are going to Pulau Ubin to camp. I am partnering with Beyond Expeditions and we have the boss of Beyond Expedition, Mr. Scott
Hi guys,
Taylor.
it's me again.
Yeah. And we have Cheryl, part of Beyond as well, and Mr. Bernard.
Sup?
That's a workout, man. How do we fit all of this into just 2 kayaks without sinking? Everything, food, water for the next 4 days will be loaded on our kayaks and so heavy! Alright, here we go! Into the ocean! So the plan is to start off from Changi Beach Park and we would kayak all the way to the north of Pulau Ubin, and the next day we would kayak all the way down south of the island to Julotong campsite, and then on the last day back to Changi Beach Park. On a pit stop at a fish farm, a mini one. It's crazy, like the owner is just staying by himself for 5 years. 5 years alone on this scale. Back to nature. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Oh!
We have arrived at our campsite. How are you feeling, Cheryl?
Tired.
Scott? All good, man. All good. Happy?
Finally landed in one of the campsites in Pulau Ubin. Mamam campsite. Whew, the seas were rough, man. So rough. So Scott is going to be our chef for the next 3 days. What's on the menu today, Scott?
Aglio olio vegetarian style. Well, this really makes us appreciate our city life.
Wow. It's so tasty. I mean, for what it's worth, like cooking outdoors with like natural wood, this is woo! Oh boss, your aglio olio is amazing. Tiring day. I'm so exhausted. I'm gonna crash. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. Just reached our second campsite. What is it called?
Julotong campsite.
Julotong campsite.
What's so special about this trip is because we will be doing in Singapore, our home country. And the reason why we're doing this is because we still want to keep our travel spirit alive, that passion in us, especially during these tough times.
kayaking for 4 days, 3 nights to around Ubin, around Singapore. That's crazy. And camping over those islands with everything, our tents, food, supplies, everything on board our kayak. So mind blown. Oh, this is an adventure. Oh. Alright guys, it's a wrap.
It's a wrap!
It's a wrap. Oh. A bit late.
Yeah, big leg.